Hello, welcome to PhetrichGallery. Let me show you how to create this poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file. Select the rectangle tool. Choose any fill color you want. Make sure stroke is set to none. Now draw a rectangle like this. Hold Alt, Option, and drag to make a copy. Hold Alt or Option and let's make it a bit bigger than the previous one. Hold Alt, Option again and drag to make a copy. Hold Alt or Option and let's make it a bit bigger than the previous one. Repeat the same process a few times. Just follow along. If you have any questions, write them below and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. On this last rectangle, drag this part without holding Alt or Option key. Now select the first rectangle layer and drag the first image into Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. Click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust the image to fit properly. Select the second rectangle layer and drag the second image to Photoshop. You can also hold Alt, Option key and click here to create clipping mask. So among the two methods, choose the one you like most. We'll repeat the exact process for all the other images. Just follow along. I'm gonna speed this part up. Support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Now choose the type tool. Let's create our text. Write your title and other text. You can find the link to download these fonts in the link in the description below. If you have any questions, write them below and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.